All right, welcome to the iMovie tutorial. I'm hoping to show you some skills and features of iMovie that'll get you started and make your movies a little bit more polished when they're done. A few features that you might not know about, and a few things to help you save some time when editing your clips. So we're going to start as if you've uploaded all of your movies and pictures to iPhoto library already. You'll see that iMovie works well with iPhoto. It's already got the library up here. So once you've opened iMovie, the first thing that you're going to want to do is create a new event. This is going to help you organize all of your photos and your pictures and your videos, all of that kind of stuff. So you do that by going up to File, New Event, and then give it a name over here. So you can give it your name, you can give it your group name. I'm just going to call this Practice for the purposes of this tutorial. So once you're in Practice, you'll see up in here you have your library of media that you're using for that event. Each event will have its own set of photos and videos. So by creating an event, you've organized what type of media will be available for you to use in your event. Once you've done that, go to Create, Movie, choose your theme if you'd like one. Again, I'm going to give my movie the name just Practice, and you can see that it's in this event of Practice. All right, so now down here is your work area. All right, up here are all the clips and projects that you have for that event. So you've got your work area down here. So right now you can see that I have nothing in my movie, and up here I have nothing in there. If I'd like to import me photo library and bring it down as well by choosing all these different albums and events that you created when you were in iMovie. Alright, so I'm just going to use this one right here, and I'm going to bring this video down into my work area. Okay, so this right here, this is one clip. Alright, that's a clip that I had from start to cut at when I was filming. There's a lot of different techniques and features now and skills that I want you to see that you can do. The first down here is your content library. This is where you can add transitions between clips. So if I were to have another clip in here and put it behind, I could add a transition in between. Here's your options. If I wanted to put titles and words on top of my video, I could do that here and stretch it out as well. If I wanted to do a map or a background, I have those options to just have plain backgrounds. If I have a title screen or a credit screen at the end. I've got my iTunes, so anything that's in your iTunes, all that music can be easily brought into here. iMovie comes with a library of sound effects as well that you might want to use to enhance your video. And if you've done anything and made anything in GarageBand, since it's all part of iLife, it's connected there as well, just like iPhoto. So that's your content library. If you want to edit the clip itself, you can come up here to adjust, and then you've got all of these options. Information includes the amount of time that it's going to be. The turtle is how you would change the speed from slow, medium, and fast, and then you could even change it as a % of the original clip. This is if you want to reduce background noise, things like that. You can mess with the noise to make it sound like you want. Here is the volume. You can turn it up if the people were talking too quietly. You can turn it down if they were talking too loudly. 100% is what it is done originally. Okay. If you have a shaky video, if you didn't use one of the tripods and it's a little shaky, you can help stabilize it here. If you want to crop it, you can take parts of it. You can crop parts of the video to make it fit the scene you want. Ken Burns is to have the moving effect on yours, or you could just have it be fit and as you record it. If you want to change some of the color schemes, change the lighting, make it darker, make it lighter, change the RGB, you can do all of that here. The color balance is something that we're probably not going to mess with too much. Alright, so when you're all done with that, you can hit the adjust again and you get the bigger picture. The last thing I want to show you of editing is how to split the clip. If you come down to your clip and you can see that the orange line follows my cursor, if you right click, which is control click on a Mac, you have all of these options. You can split the clip, you can add a freeze frame, you can attach audio, trim, show clip, all of those different options. The one that you're probably going to use most is the split clip. That splits this clip into 2 different clips, so you can edit and mess with each clip at a different time. That also allows you to highlight different parts and delete by dragging the end to make it shorter to cut out the end, or if you like to cut out the beginning, you can drag that and cut out the beginning. Or let's say you want to cut out part of the middle, you can split the clip and then highlight it and hit delete, and that part of the clip will be deleted. So those are the basics. I want to show you one more cool thing. If you are using a green screen, and let's say you have a background that you want as your background for the green scene, so let's say I wanted to use this image, this Cubs image here, I could extend that by simply putting the green screen video on top and then coming up here to that adjust part, and then you have options here of cutaway, green screen, blue screen. If I select green screen, blue screen, that becomes the background. Alright, the other things you can do is do side-by-side photos. You could do a picture-in-picture. Alright, okay. So that's about it. That should get you started. When you finish your movie, you're going to go to Share, File, hit Next here, give it a good name, put it on the desktop, and that will export your movie as an MP4, which will allow you to put it into YouTube, put it into your Google Drive, and make it viewable by anybody easily. So that's your iMovie tutorial. Watch again if you need a reference, or ask your classmates. They'll be happy to help as well. Thanks.